Welcome back, guys. Let's get this teardown started. I feel like all we're going to need is some wire cutters and a screwdriver, because I don't think there's a lot holding this bike together anymore. Right. Ta-da. A little tank which is broken. Luckily I found that kickstand. Well, I didn't find it, I brought it the other day for the BMW and ended up not using it, so it works perfect for this. So it's currently like a non-runner or runs badly. I'm pretty sure it's just got the wrong type of carb on it, so I'm going to replace the carb along with everything else, pretty much all the electrics, the tank, chain of sprocket, exhaust, brakes. So I'm basically going to strip it down to a bare frame, clean it all up, paint it, sort of do like a full build. So yeah, get this hose off and then it's basically done then. Okay, so the battery on the camera died, but yeah, I've stripped it down. I'm gonna carry on cleaning it, stripping it, getting it ready for a bit of paint, and yeah, get on AliExpress and order some parts, and yeah, start rebuilding it for one of you guys. So I've stripped it down as much as I can, or basically fully stripped down. Looks like I need a new subframe, need a new rear shock. Need 2 new wheels, need new tank, need new wiring loom, need new exhaust. So yeah, it's basically everything. So I've been fully shafted. Yes, I've been fully shafted. I paid £120 for it, and I thought it would be a simple get the carb sorted, get it up and running with a bit of tidying up. Yeah, I don't think I was shafted on purpose, but I've definitely been shafted. The axles are bent, the brakes are seized, the wiring's completely shot. Apart from that, it's basically just a full rebuild, which is fun. So I am now going to do some degreasing. I'm going to clean it up a little bit, and then in the next video I will probably be painting the frame or getting the wiring done. I'll see I'll see what happens. But yeah, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to potentially win this bike when it's all done.